Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Amin, AI engineer and consultant. Here today I'm with an old friend of mine, Hadi. He's a data scientist. He's helped a lot of companies, including BNSF and Bain and Company. He's helped these companies solve their clients' problem with data science. We're gonna ask him a bunch of questions about data science and AI, how data science can help businesses, enterprises leverage AI and solve their optimization problems and taking advantage of their existing data. All right, Adi, thanks for joining us today. It's a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure after a long time.
Yes, very good. So we're planning to have more interviews in the future, but I thought today we can focus on general questions around AI and data science. So would you mind help us understand how AI is related to data science? What's the difference between data science and machine learning?
Yeah.
And just give us the roadmap around AI and data science.
Yeah, they are closely related. Usually, data science, it's in the name. We try to use scientific methods to draw meaning from data that helps us with a variety of business decisions or decisions in any sort of operational system. And then data science delivers the information to AI. AI takes the data science one step further. And basically, using AI, we want to make computers that are competitive with human intelligence and beyond human intelligence to solve problems that are associated with our cognitive abilities. So that sort of information is the output of data science and machine learning, and then AI utilizes that to create models, create computers that can help with strategic decision making.
Great. So the way I understand it, so data science is a different domain than AI, but they have like connections. So part of AI is working with the data, and that's where you use data science. So, for example, for predictions, optimizations, classifications, and that is very huge in AI. So a lot of companies might these days just be focused on LLMs or generative AI. But before AI was generative AI, it was mostly data science and classifications, predictions. And now let's talk about more specific questions about how data science is related to operation in businesses, in companies, startups, enterprises. How would you say data science influences decision making for companies, for enterprises?
Three ways come to my mind. To start with, we use the data science and AI to identify trends and patterns that help with making better decisions for future for any company. Second, we use data science and AI to inform the product development. And last, which is my most favorite part, is optimization, optimizing the operations. That is the most important part, I think, because it uses the first two ways and comes up with a better general solution or strategic solution to improve the company KPI and company situation in the market.
Can you share an example of optimization using data science techniques in industries?
For sure. I started my job, as you mentioned earlier, in a railroad. BNSF is one of the class one railroad, which is the top tier railroads in North America. They do a big deal of container shipment. Container is what we categorize as intermodal transportation because not only railroad deals with containers, but road network, which is the trucks, also haul the containers from A to B, and the big shipping containers that carries across oceans.
Ships bring all these containers from, let's say, China to United States, and then you load it on your trains, and then trains go put it on smaller trucks. I mean, not so small, but smaller trucks. And then those trucks go to, let's say, Walmart warehouses, right?
Retailers,
and then people go and shop. That's the entire supply
That's
chain.
the supply chain.
Well, you were focusing on the train part of
Our part was improving the train operations,
Right.
which is closely related to the other networks. There is a tight competition between other railroads and even other networks, road networks. In order to win this market, you have to have efficient network, and you should be able to showcase your client that your network is cost efficient and time efficient, so they come to you for their service.
Right. So if Amazon or Walmart orders some stuff from China, and then your train network takes 2 weeks, your competitors does exactly the same job in less than a week,
then that's our loss.
Right,
That
yes.
means that we haven't done our due diligence in efficiency and optimizing our operations.
Right. So that's where data science and optimization helps with that huge project to optimize that huge network.